Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you guys how to crochet a coaster. This is an easy tutorial. I'm using a 4.5mm hook, I believe, and this is the Karen chunky cupcake yarn. And it's a weight 5 yarn. I hope you guys can see. It looks a little dark, but I know I got the flash on. So we're gonna start off with a magic circle. Everyone should know how to do a magic circle by now. I've done a magic circle so many times. And we're going to chain 3. And then we're just gonna put 12 double crochets into the magic circle. We're not gonna count this. So one, two, three, four, five, 6. And then we're going to put 6 more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. You're gonna pull that close. Okay, so now we're gonna slip stitch into the first double crochet, but let's count and see how many we have. We're not counting the chain 3. We're counting the 5. The other double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so go into not this one. We're gonna go into the first double crochet, not the chain 3. And we're going to slip stitch. Now, and all throughout this, you could put a little tension if you want. So basically, we're just going to be doing the top of a hat. If you've made a hat, then you already know what to do, but we're just going to do the top of the hat. So we already know that 2 double crochets into each going around. I don't know why the yarn's coming like that, but we're just gonna work over it. And I like this yarn because the colors are going to be changing. You don't have to add any other yarn. You can just use what you have. So there should be 12 clusters going around for round 2. We're almost there. And you can always count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I put one more and I didn't need to. We can count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we have 12, so then we're just gonna slip stitch back into the beginning of that round. And now we're on round 3. So we're gonna do 1 double crochet, and then in the next one we're going to put 2 double crochets, and then we're going to do 1 double crochet. The next one we're going to put 2 double crochets. This is what you call your increase rounds, and that's how we're going to do that. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 and then 2, 1 and then 2, 1 and then 2. That's how we're doing round 3. So far 12 double crochets, and then in our first increase round, which is 2 double crochets in each 12 going around, and then we're doing 1 and then double, 1 and then double, 1 and then double. So I might be moving a little fast, but this is really a self-explanatory tutorial. If you don't know how to do the stitches or anything, please go watch my videos. I know they are very helpful because I break it all the way down to the beginning of how to even hold your hook, how to hold the yarn. I am right-handed, so you might have to find a left-handed tutorial if you're left-handed, if that helps you. So we're just gonna keep going around, and it's gonna be pretty because the colors are gonna be changing. And then we're going to be almost done with round 3. And we're gonna put, oh, I feel like I messed up somewhere. 1 double 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 1, increase, increase. I messed up right here. That's what I love about crocheting. You can always go back and check your work. That's why you don't have to be perfect right at the beginning. When you're learning, you could just keep going. 1, and then you increase, and that is the end of round 3. Okay, so for round 4, you slip stitch into your first double crochet, and then now we're going to place 1 double crochet into here, and then another double crochet into the next, and then we're going to put 2. So 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then increase. One double crochet, 1 double crochet, increase, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, increase, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, increase, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, increase, if you ever get confused, you ever get lost, just talk out loud or count to yourself, because that's what I do when I'm crocheting. So that's why you hear me keep counting out loud, and then you could just follow my voice if you're not paying attention, and then you won't have to mess up. Just follow the pattern. One, and then double. 1, and then double. 1, double. And then 1, double. Slip stitch into the first one, and then now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds in the circle. You can always tuck the string in before, or you can tuck it in after, like I'm going to do. And now you have a cute little coaster. Obviously, when your drink sits on there, it will flatten out, or I've seen people put Mod Podge on their coasters to make sure that they stay stiff. So here's the coaster. Let's see if we can focus the camera, zoom in. So you have your cup, you sit your cup on the coaster, and that would be the coaster with your cup there. And it's nice and easy. It'll fit all size mugs, I'm sure. And now people don't have to mess up your pretty nice and expensive furniture. And you have a crochet coaster. Obviously you can tuck in these strings. You can tuck this string in. You can keep making it wider and wider. And obviously if you get mixed colored yarn, you could have a bunch of different colored coasters. You don't have to worry about changing colors. It came out really cute. I like it. And it's very easy to make. It does not take long to make, and I think I would be making some more so I can sit it in my living room.